One, mixing dot and dot light produce magenta light.
Red and blue.
Red and blue. Okay. Number two, mixing green and blue lights gives dots.
Cyan.
Excellent. Number three, dots are produced by mixing two primary colored lights.
Secondary colors.
Secondary colors. Okay, number four, dots and dots are called the primary colors. Will be
Red, green, and blue.
primary, so it will be red, green, and blue. Number five, dots are called secondary colors.
Magenta, cyan, and
What
blue.
Okay, magenta, cyan, and what?
Yellow.
Yellow. Don't forget Miss Ziad. Okay, number six. As the light falls on green grass, the grass must absorb dots colored except dot. Green grass is what is it? Transparent, translucent, or opaque?
Opaque.
Opaque. So it will absorb what is it?
All colors.
All colors or all light colors. Except what is it?
The green color.
Green color. Okay. Let's start with the get reason. Number one, we must wear white clothes in summer season. Why is it?
Because because the white color reflects all the spectrum colors, which prevents warmth.
Super, because it reflects all the white or the lights that falls on each surface. Continue as yet. We said that what is the relation between white clothes and summer season?
Because it reflects all spectrum colors.
Okay, it will reflect. What is the relation between white clothes and summer season? Why we need to reflect all the light that falls on its surfaces yet?
Because it prevents warmth.
It what?
It prevents the hot summer.
So to feel. Okay.
Okay.
Number two. It's preferred to wear black clothes in winter.
Because the black color absorbs all seven colors, which causes warmth to feel hot.
What is it that falls on its surface to feel warm? Yet why do you turn off the camera? Number three, red, green, and blue are called the primary colored lights. Why?
Because they can't be produced by mixing two of the other colors.
So we said that the definition of the primary colors, because they can't be produced by mixing any two colors. Number 4, magenta is a secondary colored lights. Light, why?
Because it can be produced by mixing red and blue, which are primary colors.
Because it can be produced by mixing red and okay. What happens? Something that you can see by your eyes. You look at the green apple through a red glass sheet. Here we have a specific rule, Yazid. When you,
the apple turns black.
the apple appears black. Because we have here a specific rule. If the color of the object is equal to the color of the sheet, so we can see the real color of the object. But in case that the color is of the object isn't like the color of the sheet, so we will see the color of the object what? Black. Number 2, mixing green with blue.
The cyan light is produced.
So cyan light is produced. Mixing red with white, with blue, I'm sorry. Red with
magenta light is produced.
magenta. Mixing red with green.
Yellow light is produced.
Okay. What's meant by? Number 1, primary colored lights. What is meant by primary colored lights? Colored light.
They are the colors that are impossible to be produced by mixing two other colors.
Okay. It means colors that cannot be used by mixing any two colors. It's more preferred to add examples in there, like what?
Red, blue, green.
Red, blue, and what?
Green.
Okay. Number 2, what is meant by secondary colored light?
Secondary colored light.
Yes.
They are the colors that are produced by mixing two of the primary colors.
Okay. So it means colors that can be produced by mixing any two colors. Like what is it?
Magenta, yellow, and cyan.
Okay. Ziad, turn on the camera to can see you. Thank you. Let's start with weekend sheet number 5. The natural magnet is dot colored rubber.
Black.
Black. Okay. The two types of magnet are dots and dots. What and what?
Natural and artificial.
Natural and
Artificial.
artificial. Number 3, the natural magnet is one of the dots or
Iron ores.
iron ore. While is known as
Magnetite.
magnetite. Dots and dots are from the shapes of the magnet. We have how many shapes is it?
We have 5 shapes.
5 shapes. I need just 2.
U-shaped magnet.
Okay, U shaped magnet. And what?
Horseshoe magnet.
Horse. Shoe. Number 5. The magnet has dot poles.
2 poles.
One of them is called
North.
north. And the other is called
South pole.
Junior 5. Here you have to write north and south, not red and blue, because the colors isn't constant. The color isn't constant, okay? So we have to write north pole or south pole, not red or blue, okay? Number 6 is yet the materials that are not attracted to the magnet are called.
Non-magnetic materials.
So not with none. So it will be non-magnetic material. The magnet had the most powerful force of attraction at its
Pole.
poles or 2 ends. You have to write 2 ends, more favor or 2 points, okay? But poles in general, no. Because we said that most powerful at the 2 ends يزيد, okay? Or concentrated force at the 2 ends. يحصل لهم decrease in what disappear in what يزيد.
In the middle.
The middle or center. The like poles dots each other.
Repel.
Repel. Super easy. Where dislike poles
Attract.
attract. Okay. We will start with number 9. The magnetic force is concentrated at dots.
The poles.
2 poles or 2 ends. Okay. The compass is used to identify
The main 4 geographical directions.
super. It will be for geographical directions. Okay, give reason. Copper is a non-magnetic material. Why?
Because it doesn't attract with the magnet.
Said that non-magnetic, so it will be doesn't attract the magnet.
It doesn't attract.
Iron, copper, and nickel are magnetic material.
Because they attract the magnet. They are magnetic materials.
Good. They are attracted to magnet. Okay. The books of the magnet. The books of the compass isn't made of iron.
To avoid the attraction between the magnet and the iron box.
To avoid attraction between the magnet or both of them, between both of them, or the magnet and the books. The needle magnet and the books. Okay. What happens when something that you can see by your eyes, a strong magnet, is put close to a piece of nickel?
The piece is attracted to the magnet.
So it attracted to the magnet. A magnet is hung to move freely.
It takes a fixed direction, which is north-south direction.
Again, it takes what?
It takes a fixed direction,
Okay.
which is north or south direction.
Again, it change what? Take a fixed direction. What is the fixed direction, Izzy?
North-south direction.
North, south direction. Okay. What's meant by magnetic field, magnetic force? You have to differentiate between both of them. Magnetic field means what?
It is the space around the magnet in which the effect of the magnetic force appears.
Okay, so it will be, it is the space that surrounds the magnet in which the effect of the magnetic force appears. Okay, number 2, magnetic force. What is the keyword of the magnetic force?
It is the ability of the magnet to attract the magnetic materials existed in its field.
Super Yazid. Compare between magnetic material and non-magnetic material, definition and example. Why magnetic materials?
They are the materials which are attracted to the magnet.
On the other hand, what is meant by non-magnetic?
They are the materials which are not attracted to the magnet.
Okay. What is the example for magnetic? We just has 3. What are they?
Iron, nickel, and steel.
The nickel, steel, cobalt, or iron. Here we have many examples, like what?
Glass, paper, aluminum, wood.
Wood, aluminum, and so on. Okay, thank you, Ziad. Don't be absent tomorrow because you have a quiz. You know that, right? So don't be absent, please, and study well. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you, Ziad. Bye bye.
Bye.